So hey everyone, आज के टॉपिक में we are going to study how to install GNS3 into your Linux machine. You can use it Windows, Mac, anything. This platform is supported for every OS, every generally used OS. Okay. So first of all, let's understand what is GNS3. The audience जिसको already पता है GNS3 क्या है, they can skip to the next part. But for those who don't know, GNS3 is a virtual simulation platform where you can simulate network devices like Cisco switches, Cisco firewalls, Cisco routers, or FortiGate firewalls, Palo Alto firewalls. There are a lot of appliances that are available on GNS. To show you a quick demonstration, if you just go and search for GNS3 appliance, is this one, gns3.com/marketplace. So there is a bunch of list available. You can go through. There are Linux machines, there are Kali machines, there are Cisco routers, Windows, Ubuntu guest, there is Meraki, Macro, FortiGate, ISO, software, there are labs available, applications. So basically this is a simulation platform where you can learn multiple network components and network theories by yourself. This is totally an open source platform. No need to buy any subscription or license. If you need specific features that to OEM specific, then there is a charges. But to learn as a beginner or as an intermediate, even at advanced level also, there are options available. There are tools available for you to learn. It is totally free of cost. So yes, every episode, the next entire journey, we are going to start for the network security series. We are going to use GNS. So I thought it will be very important to have my audience aware with the GNS platform. So yes, this is it. So we'll start with the installation. To start with the installation, you can visit this particular page. Docs, they have their own documentation website as well, that is docs.gns3.com. You can use that. If you want this particular website, just go and search GNS3 installation. Whatever OS you're having, it could be Windows, Linux, or anything, just add your OS. And the very first list website will be popped up. Click on it and you will have this. Okay, on the left side you can see Windows, Mac, Linux, IXI, remote server. There's a bunch of options available. Any OS you're trying to use, you can navigate through. They have local servers, they have remote servers, a lot of things available. Today we are going to do with the Linux. I have my operating system as Linux. So that's good. Let's get started. We'll quickly open terminal. There is a GUI mode available, but I will request or recommend to use this CLI based installation because it installs a lot of packages predefined and it is very easy to install. So before we start, just there are only 3 commands, nothing more than that. Copy the first command, paste it, enter your sudo password. There you go. There's the report. Okay, my password was wrong. Look at that. Yep, there you go. This is a repository by GNS3. It is hosted on obviously on the GitHub. So this repo will be installed. Once the repo is installed, any GNS update will be done through this particular repo. Before install, after adding a repo, it is always recommended to update your repository properly. So we'll quickly hit sudo apt update. It will drastically update all my repositories into my package file. Usually it is not recommended, but I prefer to do an upgrade as well before I start installing any package. That just gives me an extended hand to avoid any error. Once I'm done, so our second command was update. Let's hit the third command, which install the packages of GNS3 GUI and the server both. Okay, let's copy and paste that thing, hit enter. It will download the packages. It will ask you, do you want to continue the installation? Hit Y, enter. and it will install. Yep, there you go guys. Nothing else to do more. Just wait for it to get installed. During the installation process, it will ask you for yes or no, few basic things. There's a concept called super user and non-super user. A non-super user, super user is who is not having sudo rights. He cannot execute sudo commands. So that will be a prompt that will be asked. We'll see in a couple of minutes. We'll hit yes for that, so that any user using this particular machine can use GNS server regardless to if it is non-super user or super user, which is recommended. So yep, there you go. In case you didn't got the command, you didn't got the prompt for it, that is because I'm already using sudo apt install. Okay, just in case you get a prompt, you know what to do. You need to hit yes whenever it is asked. Okay, there you go. We have your GNS install. We have the GNS install now. You can see it over here. If you're not able to see on the desktop, you can go for applications and you can see GNS in this list. Since I have added to my favorite list, once I remove from the favorite list, it will be appeared here. I'll add to my favorite list, it will be down here. Okay, so yes, we have GNS ready. I'll boot it up for you. It will ask for my projects and everything. I was using my GNS previously. I removed it and reinstalled again, so all my packaging is already synced with it right now. Okay, so yes, this is the process to install GNS. If you have any other OS, you can navigate to this website. I will add this website to the description. You can go to Windows. If you have Windows, just follow this instruction. It is very basic, very basic to go through. If you have Mac, you can use the Mac instructions over here. Anything, if you're facing any issue in the entire process, let me know in the comment section. I have done for each and every step mentioned here. I have a great experience. I can definitely guide you through the process. I can definitely assure you that you have a smooth installation process. So let me know if you are facing any issue in the comments. And this is it for today, guys. Stick around. We have an entire series coming on network security and cyber security. We are going to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get the notification, and stay tuned. And once again, if you have any issues, let me know in the comments. See you soon, guys. Thanks.